The latest iPad Pro and MacBook Pro models are the most powerful to date. Equipped only with USB-C ports, multiple dongles are still needed to fully unleash their true potential. While the latest Type-C hubs do a good job of eliminating dongle clutter, aren't they still another dongle that you need to store and carry with you when on the go? Add in hub accessories, power banks, and chargers, and you have an organizational nightmare. It's time for a new approach. Meet the BentoStack Power Hub, the world's first all-in-one Type-C hub, accessory organizer, power bank, and wireless charger all layered together in an ultra-compact case that's optimized for use on the workspace and ready to take on the go. Let's take a look at how BentoStack Power Hub works. Starting with the 8-port hub, you can connect your SD and micro SD cards, HDMI cable, 3.5mm headphones, and your USB-A and USB-C devices. The top of the hub provides magnetic storage for your Apple II Pencil, or can also act as a small desk valet. Located above the hub is the charge cover with built-in 8,000 milliamp power bank that charges by USB-C power delivery, USB-A, and Qi wireless charging all at the same time. Beneath the hub, a storage compartment houses your smaller accessories. All compartments stack neatly together, taking up minimal workspace. This design protects the ports from dust and debris during transport, and a silicone strap keeps everything secure. You may remember us from our first Indiegogo campaign for the original BentoStack, so you know we're great at hitting our shipping deadlines and keeping you updated along the way. We want customers for life.
And here it is.
So let the BentoStack Power Hub help you get organized, work anywhere, stay charged, and own the conference room. Thanks for your support.
We have redesigned the technology
Me, I don't want. Yeah, it sounds really good. It sounds really clear, really. It shines the sound. I think this is really important.
Check this out, bro.
And that's why we created PureMark. PureMark is the next generation of wireless presentation visual technology for the AI era. PureMark is a presenter, an easy-to-use air mouse, a magnifier, a content marker, a display control, and a web surfer, all from the palm of your very own hand. Simply connect PureMark to any device with an HDMI input and unlock a wealth of interactive actions in one simple-to-operate device. PureMark features a real-time indicator to direct your viewer to important information related to your presentation that is anti-shake.
Aren't you tired of all these unnecessary features on your smart wallet? Meet Barati, the cocky wallet with a custom-designed wireless power bank and wireless payment system. We've customized the standard 10-watt QI charger to deliver 2,500 milliamperes of power much faster. With Barati, you can charge simultaneously as many devices as you can place on it. With Barati, you can just relax and enjoy your life, free of charging problems. The genuine leather makes it stylish and sleek. Yo, did we mention the payment part? Reportedly, charging issues are the #1 threat to a successful date. Barati has your back. Save your partner's phone as you would have saved yours. Besides, remember, you don't need cards to pay. Awesome, right? No, I'm serious, no cards. For Barati, security is key. With our app, you can attach all your cards to the wallet and use them without having them with you. The application is developed in order to make you feel more comfortable and secure when making purchases with your wallet. Track your money with your phone and approve or disapprove a purchase request. Just forget about messy pockets, dead devices, and bank cards. With amazing prices you can only find on Indiegogo, pre-order your Barati now. Oh, and did we mention the free shipping?
Shine is reinventing the bathroom. Because even though the bathroom hasn't changed in a century, we have. So why do we spend time each week on the dirtiest job in the home, using brushes that just push germs around, while exposing our family and pets to harmful chemicals? And when anything goes wrong, even a simple fix warrants a call to an expensive plumber. What if the toilet could clean itself and tell you how to quickly fix it? Introducing the Shine Bathroom Assistant. Shine installs anywhere near your toilet in minutes. Just attach the Shine sensors to the water line and toilet bowl. Pour in some tap water, place an eco-friendly pod into Shine, and it will automatically clean and deodorize your toilet without chemicals. The secret to Shine's chemical-free cleaner is electrolyzed water. Developed in Japan to clean high bacteria environments around sushi, Shine uses electricity to transform the tap water into electrolyzed water. This supercharged water is as powerful as bleach and 5 times more effective than traditional deodorizer sprays. Best of all, after it cleans your bowl, it turns back into a saline solution that's safe for plumbing and pets, leaving your bowl free of germs, sparkling clean, and smelling great, effortlessly. But when your toilet stops working, or takes forever to fill, the reasons can be unclear. That's why Shine uses an AI called Sam. Sam diagnoses your toilet problems in real time and notifies you with the issue, its cause, and how to fix it. Shine service even delivers free repair kits and video call support to fix the issue. Now you're back in business without a plumber. But to really make your toilet smart, Shine can detect the first sign of a leak or flood. Because household leaks in the US waste up to 1 trillion gallons of water annually. That's the equivalent of leaving your shower running for nearly 1 million years. Shine ensures that the bathroom is ready for you, so that you can be ready for the world. It's time to let your bathroom shine.
Hi, I'm Chris, founder of Shine Bathroom. We're reinventing the bathroom because even though it's where we prepare ourselves for the day ahead, the average bathroom isn't prepared for us. Shine uses automation to fix this by creating a bathroom experience that anticipates our needs, conforms to our wants, and delivers the care we deserve. The Shine team has built and delivered millions of electronic devices across the planet. And now we invite you to join us on our next journey. Together, we'll build the bathroom experience we deserve, one Shine product at a time. Thank you for your support. Alexa, ask Sam to clean the toilet.
Okay, I'm cleaning your toilet.